Want to know how to launch your extension in TubeBuddy to YouTube? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, what you need to do is you need to just simply open up your TubeBuddy website. Just simply head towards tubebuddy.com and make sure you are logged in. So we have also created some of the videos regarding TubeBuddy, which is available on our channel, so make sure to watch it. So now once everything is done, you should be under this interface. And now, since we are launching the extension, you need to install it. So you can just simply install through the web store. So we have also created videos for that, so make sure to watch it. Now on the home, here should be saying launch extension. Right beside switch to light mode. So once you have clicked that, as you can see right here, our channel or your channel should open up with YouTube. Now here you should be seeing this three dot icon, just simply like that. And here you can just simply log in, just simply agree and then log in with YouTube. And now once you have logged in, as you can see right here, your extension should be launched. And after a while, just simply select your account that you want to log in from. Select continue. And now select all. Select continue again. And you should be automatically signed in, and there you are. Your extension should be launched, and that's it. Super simple and easy. Now you can just simply walk around with it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.